What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, it is freebie time. It is freebie time. It is freebie time. Now, I told you, I got you covered for the weekend. We got some nice analog watch faces coming up for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video that's coming up. All right, with that being said, the developer got down on this analog luxury watch face. I gotta give him 4 thumbs up in the door. I thought he did an awesome job polishing it off. This is one of those watch faces that you can wear on any given day. If you're going out, you're hitting the town, if you want to dress down, super casual, this is the watch face you want to have on your wrist. Considering that it is free, it is definitely a nice choice. Now, the name of the watch face is called Enzo. And in the always on mode, the watch face is gonna light up beautifully. You're gonna see your time at a glance with no problem. But when the watch face is on, here's where the beauty of the watch face comes to life. Now you're gonna get a traditional look, gonna get a nice Roman numeral look too, so far as your numbers is concerned. You get a few dials, you get stylish hands as well. And what I like that he did, he implemented some information for you all because you like to keep up with your step status. So you get info on miles walked or ran, you also get info on your steps, and you get info on your heart rate. Now what he did was he made it small enough that it didn't take away from the luxury look and feel of this watch face, which I thought was awesome. Now you're gonna get your date at the top along with the date. And I like that he blended the 2 colors, black and white, which really adds some character, makes the watch face stands out. He got it trimmed in gold, so is the dial, they're trimmed in gold as well. And the white it's nice. It really brings out the gold hint that's in this watch face. Now also you're going to get your battery percentage here, you're going to get the day of the week, you're going to also get your month down at the bottom, and the watch face is in the active, so if I tap here I can go into my heart rate. Same thing with my steps, I can go into my steps there, and if I tap here I can get my battery percentage. So you get a lot that comes with this watch face, especially right now considering that it is free. So again, I'm going to remind you, make sure you go download right away, and you can set favorites with this watch face as well. But my favorite about this watch face is this. If I single tap, I could change the dial colors of this watch face, right? And not only that, he took it a step further, and if I double tap at the top, I could change the color of the background as well to blend in with any color I want within the dials. If I want to match it up, I can. If not, I can go ahead and tap single, and I can cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer. And with that, people, hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts on this watch face. Is it a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.